Hi there! It's raining today and I'm gonna show you how to replace the air filter, the cabin filter on this car. This is not the original, it's from Blueprint. This is its code, it's compatible with this Mazda 3. Okay. Let's do the magic. First you open the glove compartment. The filter is there. And you see the glove compartment doesn't open further than that. This is flexible, but of course do not flex it too much. This part also is flexible. So you have to do like this. Click on one, click, click on the other side, and that's it. The filter stays in these two thingies here, like this, and pull it out. Okay, be careful when you pull it out to remember how it was inserted, to not put the other one in wrong position. Arrow, arrow, yeah? Now, the only thing to do is to insert this new one. It may be a bit tight, but do not worry, just push it there. Do not forget to make sure the arrow is positioned like this. These clips are in the correct position here, and that's it. Nothing else. So, you have seen how easy it is to replace the cabin filter on this car. It's way easier than in Mazda 3 BL, where you had a bit of struggle to fit there below. You have two parts of the filter which have to be positioned in the right place. The space was narrow, you have to use the camera to make sure they are positioned correctly. This way it's much simpler. I like the improvement. It's a true toolless operation. Okay, perfect. So that's it. Short and sweet. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.